Hello there, I'm Paddy Donnelly, the author and illustrator of Fox and Son Tailors, which is one of the £1, €1.50 books for World Book Day 2025. And my favourite reading space is actually anywhere, because I like to read at the beach or in the garden or on the sofa or in bed or on the floor. I like to read everywhere, but the thing is, whenever it's a good book, you get totally transported into whatever world it is, and I completely forget where I am. So I don't think the reading space for me really matters, because I end up getting sucked into the book and totally forgetting where I am anyway. So I think just wherever you want, wherever you are able to open a book and get into the story, I think that's the best reading space to have.